Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be doing my full face of makeup using my mom's makeup. So I'll explain to you in a bit, but before we get started, I've been kind of slacking on YouTube for like the past 2 weeks. Obviously, my fan base is not that big, so it's not that much of a deal, but like I just want to mention it's nothing serious, it's just the quarantine laziness slack kind of thing. So that's all. First of all, I'll try to look at the camera more often, and I'll also be posting new videos on my Facebook page, and if you enjoy them I'll be posting more videos. And also make sure to follow me on all my socials, it's going to be linked down below. And let's get started. So it's all exactly what I use, but some things are different. She uses a foundation stick. She does use the MAC foundation bottle when it's available, or else she usually uses the foundation stick by CCUK, it's this one. And she doesn't use Kylie Jenner, of course, because she likes red on her lips, and she always uses this pencil. This was bought from Dubai before she came here, so she's been using this ever since. She also uses eyebrow liner. This is her pencil. It's a bit old, that's why it's so short, but it's really nice, it's really powerful. She also uses same CCUK makeup powder. This is my one, so I'll just be using the same thing with her sponge. She also has this beauty blender that we bought from Lady J, and it's still in the packaging. She uses it and then she puts it back into this box, so this is what we're going to be using, her beauty blender. Last of all, for eyeshadow and any other thing that we want to do, she uses this Just Gold palette. This thing, it's a makeup box. So what happens is you twist it open like this, as you can see. And there are different types of things. So there's lipsticks here, and there's like eyeshadows, creams, powders and everything. All of that is there in this box, but she doesn't use these. I think she uses one of these. So this has green shades, this has the red shades. This is the one that my mom uses all the time. This has the brown shades, and yeah, this has got the maroon shades. Some of them are kind of messy, I don't know why that is, but it's just messy. So this is what I'll be using, and the top of this is also really cool. It's got like a tiny mirror set up here, and it has a few brushes. So hopefully I'll be able to use these brushes for my eyeshadow because they're in this box. Because my mom doesn't use applicators, she uses her fingers most of the time. She used to have like a big makeup kit, and she used to have like lipsticks and blush and like, you know, eyeliner, kajal, and she used to have sponges and branded foundation and a lot of things. Now she also uses branded foundation still, but the only thing she's like reduced most of her things because she likes to do something quick and pretty, and she always goes for the red lips, black eyebrows, nicely powdered and foundation face, and a good eyeshadow which is orange and drags out. That's why I always tell you to drag out the foundation, because my mom does it, so you should do it too. I'm kidding, you don't have to do it, but I'm just like whatever. So anyway, we're gonna start now. So I will just like clip my hair because it's a bit too, it's bulky and it's getting longer and longer if you didn't notice, and it's kind of like, you know, all over the place sometimes. My nails, do you like them? If you like them, let me know in the comments down below. I also did my eyebrows in a new shape. As you can see, they're like triangular here and here. Earlier when I did my eyebrows, they look like straight, and then a tiny curve here, which didn't even look nice on camera. It used to look straight like this, but now they're a bit different, and as you can see, there's some excess hair that's been cut off here. I'm going to be fixing all that, don't worry. So I feel like, okay, I'll try to use this CCUK stick. It is called CCUK Makeup Stick. It is in the color number MS6 Bronze. Bronze. So here, this is what it says. Is that upside down? Okay, whatever. I'll put a picture on the screen. She's all out on that too. We'll just be like trying to use these things. The reason why we're all out is because we're in quarantine and we haven't been able to go out and buy these things. So here's her beauty blender. So I also had this beauty blender earlier. If you didn't watch my previous videos, like my very first videos, I used to use this kind of beauty blender, and it was light purple. And then I recently got a new brand in like December called Beaky, and that has like a literal like teardrop shaped beauty blender. So that's what I use right now. I prefer that over this because this has got like this design here. Okay, enough talking. Let's start. So as you can see, there's nothing to take in this, so I'm just like trying to dip it in. If it doesn't work, I'll go to the MAC foundation. I just took off that mirror from that box because it comes off. Let's try. Okay, since this is kind of like a pan stick, it's not really coming out, so I'll just leave this aside for today. When my mom gets a new one, I'll do a video with this to make a review and stuff. But for today, I'll just be using MAC foundation, color number NC40. NC40 is not even my skin color, it's a bit lighter, but it's okay, like, it's alright, so I'm just going to take some here. The good thing about the MAC foundation is that you don't need a lot. Maybe that's a lot too, I don't know, but I feel like it's not that big of a deal. So I'm using my mom's beauty blender right now. I don't know where it, I don't know why I forgot. So I'm just gonna like start applying foundation. I'm only gonna put a little on my neck because my neck and my hands never match my facial skin. And the bad thing is I kind of got dark circles because I'm staying up late for fun. And I don't have concealer here because my mom doesn't use concealer. Okay, so anyway, I'm going to be using my powder. I can't even show you because someone did this. I don't know who did this, but it's like all broken. It's easier to get, but like it's not convenient for me to pat. So I'm going to pat some of this and use some of it. So I finished foundation and powder. I'll just do my eyebrows with this eyebrow pencil that she uses. And the other thing is I won't be able to do eyeliner or mascara because my mom doesn't use those things. She did when she was younger, but now she doesn't, so I mean I think she did. She used to have those. This eyebrow pencil, you guys, is way like stronger and darker than the one I use. So if you do anything wrong, it'll show and you'll have to remove it. The one I use is like kind of subtle, so when you do something it doesn't show unless you like draw tightly like this. So there, that's my new eyebrow shape. It's not that pretty. I mean, if you just like remove this point up here, it's the same shape that I had earlier, so okay, whatever. I'm gonna stop making fun of my eyebrows. Yeah, so I'm gonna do the other side too. I'm doing everything in this video, in the video itself, because I have very less options and I'm just going to be like showing you everything. Okay, so after doing my new eyebrow shape, this is like the first time that I decided to color it because we're not going anywhere. Okay, so that's my eyebrow shape. By the way guys, in this video I'm doing my whole makeup using my mom's makeup stuff. But if you want me to do my makeup how my mom does my makeup, let me know in the comments down below because that's really funny. I'll take her eyeshadow, her makeup box thingy. I'll try to put blush from one of the things in this box because it's there here. Apart from that, I'm going to be taking this eyeshadow thing and I'm going to take this. These are the colors that she uses, these reddish colors. So I'm going to take this reddish color and like try to apply it on the edge somewhere here. So that, just because. So this brush was in her box, so I'm just going to use this. But she uses her fingers. I don't know if my fingers will work, I don't know, so I'll just see. Yeah, see. And I also mentioned to you guys that I would be applying eyeshadow hereafter on this channel with a concealer or some base. But I don't have that option today, so I'll just be adding this eyeshadow as is. Let me know in the comments if you like me wearing tiny earrings like this or if you want me to wear those like big earrings that I usually wear. I'm going to use a makeup sponge. Like, I usually have an extra sponge for these things, but I can't use that today because I'm using my mom's makeup and I have to use only the sponges that she has. So yeah, I think this is a sponge. I don't know because there were like 3 sponges there. I just took this one thinking it's hers, but I have no idea. Okay, so that's all for my eyeshadow. It looks good. The next, I'm just going to use the same color and put a little bit of it for blush. So I'm just going to take a little like that. Okay, I'll use this big applicator that was in her thing. Okay, I'm going to use the sponge again here. I'm going to take a little more again for this side. I don't always put eyeshadow on my cheeks, you guys. And besides, I had the option of turning this open and getting like a nice blush color, but I don't know. I just decided to do it this way because I feel like this way is better. So the dark circles will be ignored. I don't have dark circles, right? I don't know what to do about it actually. I wish I had that big blush brush so I could just like brush it around. So eyeshadow and blush is over. I usually don't put anything more than that. I don't like contouring. Can you see my contour lines? They're natural. Okay. Next I'm going to be doing my lips using this lipstick. I really don't know the name. I think no, this was bought in this country, I guess, because I remember getting one of these recently. So yeah, this was bought from here in Sri Lanka, and you can get it from any makeup boutique. Any makeup boutique has this type of pencil with this black thing and this maroonish type color, so you can buy it. It's not that expensive. I think it's like 400 rupees or something like that. It's not a big deal, so it's alright. There's a point like this, and I'm going to apply my lipstick. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw the same way my mom does it. She draws an outline and then fills it in. That's the easiest way. Before I got Kylie Jenner, I used to use this lip thingy also. So that's my lip. I haven't worn this color in so long that it looks so awkward. Okay, I'm gonna fix my Cupid's bow here. Okay, that looks kind of weird. This color looks funny on my lips now because I'm not used to it. And I also used to overline my lips in the bottom, so I'll just do that. Okay, better. The only bad thing about this lipstick and all the other lipsticks I bought from this country is that they say they're long lasting, but they're really not, because when I drink something or eat something, it's all over my nails and my whatever I'm eating or drinking, so it's kind of annoying. So I'll be going off camera just to fix my hair. Hey guys, I'm back. As you can see, I did my hair. I just took off the clip and opened it just like earlier, and yeah, that's all. This is my look for this video because I use all my mom's makeup products and try to do my look, and this is what the outcome was. I know everything looks a bit red and funny because usually when I do my eyeshadow it's a different color and my lips like don't match the eyeshadow like this much, and my blush is like subtler than this and stuff. But my eyebrows look pretty same. I don't know, I feel like my eyebrows are always like this. That's all for this video. If you liked it and enjoyed it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, it's going to be down there. Hit the bell icon on the other side so that you don't miss out on my videos. And also make sure to follow me on all my social links down below. And also you can comment whether you'd like to see me do my makeup the way my mom does my makeup. And by the way, thank you for helping me pass 20 subscribers. And I'll see you guys next time. Stay safe. Bye.